Welcome everybody to another one of my videos. Today I'm going to be installing this closet door right here. These are not expensive at all, and I think they're going to give the room a very nice look. Please, good people, I invite you to like my videos, share them, comment. Make sure you subscribe below. That way you do not miss any of our other videos. So let's get to it. Each side come with a kit. This is all you're gonna need to install it. And yeah, all the screws and all the material you need to put it up is right in here. And in case you have any difficulties putting it up, right here, all the instructions you need. All right, so I'm going to measure the top here so I can cut the top tracks to size. To size. Now, the trick is to put one of the metal screws in, and you can do the other screws later. Now, later on, you'll see why. So next, we're gonna install the door handles. Each side come with two, so I won't need both of them, but I'm gonna install both of them anyway on each one. Now for the glides. It comes with all of these. So the T-shaped one goes up front, and all the other one you just snap them in. So basically, let's put the T-shaped in. After you finish to install all the glides, we have the glides lubricant that comes with the package. So you're gonna put a little bit on each of the top of the glides. So now after you determine which side's gonna be out and which side's gonna be in, you're gonna hold it just like that. And you're gonna put in the T-shape in first. And this is why you leave the top part like this. That way you can just slide it in with no issue. Now that both sides of the door are in, you can proceed to tighten the top, the sides, in and out. And that should be it. So this is the before. Yeah. How you see it, huh? How you see it? I think I like it. This is pretty cool. Don't cost much at all. You have a door to the closet and good to go. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and push the notification button. That way you don't miss any of our other videos. Again, thank you. Let me know what you think. See you in the next video. Peace.